Remove the screw cap. Loosen 3 screws. Remove the speaker. Use a plastic pry bar to pry open the door panel. Take off the door panel. Unplug all the wire harness plugs connected to the door panel. Pull the latch. To lock the car, the glass will rise to the highest point, revealing 2 screws that fix the glass. Remove the rubber plug. Loosen the 2 screws fixing the glass. Pry open the glass strip clip. Remove the glass strip. Take the glass directly. Unfasten the wiring harness. Loosen all the screws around. Remove the interior panel. Remove the rubber plug. Pull out the sensor plug. Plug this plug back into the door panel. Pull the glass lift switch. Lower the glass track to the lowest point to easily remove the original handle. Loosen 3 screws. Take out the original handle. And loosen 2 screws. Use a plastic pry bar to pry open the door panel. Take off the door panel. Pull the glass lift button on the door panel. Reveal the glass track screws. Unplug all the wire harness plugs connected to the door panel. Take off the door panel. Loosen the 2 screws fixing the glass. Pry open the glass strip clip. Take off the rubber strip. Take the glass directly. Loosen the screws around the interior panel. Wow. Pay special attention to these 4 screws. This is the glass lifting pulley system. Okay. Take off the interior panel. Take out the rubber plug. Pull out the sensor plug. After loosening the 3 screws fixing the handle, take it out. The original handle removed from the car. Now we are going to assemble the fluidic handle. First, the accessories we need are a fluid handle. This is the key fixed bracket, and the screw is used to fix the key holder, a cross screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and this is the electric mechanism. Okay, now let's assemble it. First, we use this to push the shaft out, then take the shaft off, and put it aside. Then we turn it over. Use a flat screwdriver to push out the 4 clips on the handle. This is a decoration. We need to remove this decorative part. Push these 4 clips inward. Then take out this decorative line. Okay, put it aside for later use. Then take out this handle. Okay, let's start assembling the streamer handle. This one should be used back. Put this handle aside. Then take out our flowing light handle. Put the spring back in the direction of the angle where it was removed. The curved part should face inward, and the ring. Then click it back in this place. Pay attention to this place. Then from here, put this. Pass the plug through this hole. Pay attention here. There is a slot. It should be aligned with the spring's slot. Okay, when this position is snapped in, align it with the slot inside. Yes. Press it down. Then put the shaft back in. There is a notch here. Put it back into the slot. Align it with the through hole inside. Press it back. Then push it hard to the bottom. Align it with the through hole inside. Then we test the elasticity. The elasticity is normal, and it returns automatically. Let's put the decorative part back. Press it back. Then we will install the motor mechanism on this side. First, take this handle, which has a sensor on it. Loosen this one on the right, the plug on the right. Take this screw off. Put it aside. This is the motor mechanism. Our assembly. The installation details are here. There is a slot here. First, insert it into the slot here. We can put the plug aside. Now align it with this slot. Insert it into this slot. Then press this place down. And hang it up. It's tightened. Then we insert this. Plug into this place. Okay, the assembly on this side is completed. Then we install the button. Remove the original button. Take this out and don't use it. Install our multi-contact button. Our wires. We need to tidy up the wires after installation. Put the wire into this slot. Let's get this line in here. Then we install this button. After installation, it will look like this. Align the groove with the bone and press it in. And press it in slightly. Then clip it over. After clamping it, we still have an installation bracket. Mounting brackets are divided into left and right. We got the left handle. They're L-shaped brackets. The left side of the L-shaped bracket is inserted into the second buckle from here. Push it in. It is aligned with this hole. Then lock the screw. Use a cross screwdriver. Tighten the screw. Then tidy up the dashboard. This is the complete installation of the handle. There is another screw here. Remember to restore it. This position is where the original sensor was. Then lock it again. Check it like this, and the installation is complete. Then we can turn around and see. Try this button again. It's normal to open and close. Install the electric handle on the door. Make sure the gap around the handle is the same. Fix it with the original screw. Plug in the sensor plug. Pull out the original lock socket. Use our three-way harness to plug in. Use zip ties to fix the scattered wires to the original car's wiring harness. Cut it off. Cut off the excess part of the zip tie. Remove the side trim panel of the passenger seat. Remove the buckle. Remove the sill trim. Remove the dashboard. They're all clips. Just pull it out directly. Connect the positive power cable here. And negative power cable here. Move the power cord to the side. Use threading tools to pass through this. The gap of the rubber plug to the passenger seat. Plug the power cord into the control box. Hide the control box under the footwell trim panel.